In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your website's visual appeal with a pro gallery. Whether you're a professional photographer wanting to showcase your portfolio or a business aiming to attract customers through eye-catching visuals, a dynamic gallery can make all the difference. Let's begin by adding a pro gallery to your site. First, head over to the Add Elements section. Here, you'll find various options, but we're interested in Media. Once you click on Media, you'll see the Pro Gallery option. Click on it, and the gallery will be added to your page. This tool is incredibly versatile and allows you to create a visually stunning display without needing to dive deep into coding or complex design. Next, let's adjust the layout to make it more engaging. In the gallery settings, look for the layout options. By default, you might see a basic grid layout, but we're aiming for something more dynamic. Choose the slider layout. This will transform your static gallery into a sliding carousel, which not only looks sleek, but encourages users to interact and engage with your images. A slider can make your site feel more modern and allows users to navigate through images quickly. To enhance the experience further, we're going to set your gallery to continuously scroll. Within the slideshow settings, enable the Loop Images option. This feature ensures that when viewers reach the last image, the gallery seamlessly loops back to the first, providing them with an uninterrupted viewing experience. Alongside looping, activate the Slide Automatically option. This feature is particularly useful if you want to highlight your images without requiring user interaction, as the images will automatically transition on their own. Finally, select Continuous as the style. This style offers a smooth and fluid movement from one image to the next, enhancing the overall aesthetic and making your slideshow more captivating. Lastly, it's important to manage the media that will populate your newly created gallery. Carefully select images that align with your website's purpose and theme. High-quality visuals not only grab attention, but can effectively communicate your brand story and message. Remember to ensure all your media is optimized for fast loading times, because a slow gallery can deter visitors and impact user experience negatively. And there you have it. You've successfully added a pro gallery to your website, customized its style, and set it to continuously scroll. A well-implemented gallery can significantly elevate the visual storytelling of your site, making it more inviting and rewarding for visitors. Thank you for watching, and be sure to implement these steps on your own site for an eye-catching professional look.